Good morning, Ashley Fraser here, VFF Grains President. Today I want to talk to you about safety and in particular inductions and how important they are and as a legal requirement for safety and compliance on your farm. What inductions are is they're just part of our recruitment process. So when a new employee starts with us, we want them to be as informed about everything that we do as possible. Now that covers off on simple things like where the facilities are, all our policies, procedures, and anything there that we might have. We also need to have emergency procedures and what that involves on our farm. Chemicals, where they're stored, where to access the MSDSs, and all of that safety stuff. And what that's about is making sure that our employees are really compliant in what they're doing. They understand what they're doing, and if they understand it, then they can operate safely. And all of these things like inductions, they're there to create an information gap, to fill that gap, so that employees can come to work and go home and have a safe day at work. So please, everyone, it's part of our compliance. The days of just sending an employee out, g'day, how you going? Righto, you're going to go off and you jump on this tractor and away you go. They've got to be inducted into safe use of that tractor, etc. So please get on it, get your inductions right. We use an app called Safe Ag Systems that helps us with all our policies and record keeping. There are a lot of other apps out there like that, but whatever you need to do, whether it's a basic checklist, go through it, but get our inductions done. Thanks very much. Have a safe harvest. Cheers.